The car multimedia Caracas 120 is a multi-volt receiver that supports 12 volts and 24 volts vehicles. It comes with Bluetooth functionality, USB slots, auxiliary input, SDHC and more. You can now browse and choose your favorite songs with Blaupunkt car radio Caracas 120. Upon receiving the box, you will get the power and audio cables with brackets to hold it in place. A remote control, a manual, and the car radio Caracas 120. With a front panel that comprises of night design with white LED light. You can also make your car ride more entertaining by connecting Caracas 120 to a monitor, as it supports DVD playback too. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and follow us for more videos.